Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install XCOM 2 for free on PC. So here follow the steps. So open Steam, go to store, and in the search the store type XCOM 2 and then click on this XCOM 2. Scroll down and here you will see play XCOM 2 play for free until 9 February 2026. So this game is completely free till 9th of February. So click on this play game and here you can see the game size is 64.96 GB. So again click on install button and then click on accept button. Now go to the library and look for the XCOM and here you can see XCOM 2. The game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download XCOM 2 game for free until 9th of February 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.